My name is Jensen. I'm an operator driver 3 out of St. Boniface District. My job usually entails a variety of things. Setting pad mount transformers, install streetlights, remove streetlights. We set the hydro poles for the distribution of electricity so you can have power to your home or your business. I am originally from a small place up north called Grand Rapids, and I got hired there when they had the flood, and I believe it was March of '92. I worked seasonal there for a few years. I went up to Kelsey, worked seasonal there for a few years, and eventually got called by Interlake Construction, working with mostly pole crews, installing poles anywhere from Emerson to Churchill. It's taken me to Ottawa for the ice storm. It's taken me to Grand Forks when the flooding was going on. And I ended up getting a permanent job in Thompson. I spent 10 years there running the digger and kind of learning my craft. I got a job down south, and I ended up thankfully being in a district like St. Boniface, which is fantastic. It's very important for us to have fun during the day, but continue to get our work done and do it safely. And that's the most important thing at the end of the day, is for us to all go home to our families and our loved ones. And you know what, it's not always the ideal conditions, and it's not always the ideal time. We take call shifts. You may be going to bed that night at 10 and getting called at midnight, all hours in all kinds of weather. I was up in Churchill one time, rolling ice and minus 65 wind chill. You can't explain to people how to deal with that. You do it so people's power doesn't go out, and we don't want that. I love my job, whether it's 40 below or 40 above, right? I love it. I love being outside.